Jacobson made that look easy, just swept around the outside of Brian McCormick and had the manoeuvre completed before Adelaide corner. And I wonder, is that a marker, Jim, for what we're going to see here this weekend?
Not sure, Leo. It's a very quick lap, and McCormick got dunked into Adelaide Insurance corner very quick there by Jacobson and made a mistake, ran wide. But Jacobson's after he's probably pulled half a second on him on the first lap.
Yeah, cold tires, like moving around. He wasn't lifting off, going through the S, and he's all over the curve on the way out. Watch the gap at the end of lap one. This is not really pressure on the one.
Made him look like he was stopped on this lap, Leo. He looks like he's taken at least he's taken another second out of the lead, so he's going to have a 2.5 second lead over Lee Johnson, McCormick in third, and it looks like it's Melvin Hollingsworth there, Leo. They've been a bit of a show, so 41 pushing 48 and a bit wide.
Yeah, there's a couple of competitors all around him like flies. As you said, Jeffrey Lee in the second place, but the gap I think is going to be out again. There we go. First time on 2, 4, 6. Certainly very aggressive the way he handles it through there. Most of the Irish riders, Jim, try to be as smooth as they can through that second corner.
Yeah, maybe he didn't realise